Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. How's it going? I've got a great video for you. I'm going to be telling you all about the #1 secret in print on demand. And every single successful print on demand store and print on demand entrepreneur knows this secret. And the whole idea here is that you need to stop thinking about your store as a print on demand store, right? You don't have a print on demand t-shirt store, you just have a t-shirt store. You don't have a print on demand apparel store, you have an apparel brand, right? That the whole idea is that print on demand is just the back end of your business. It's how your products get fulfilled and created, but it's not exactly what your business is, right? Apple, the iPhone gets produced in China. Apple isn't a China making phone brand, right? It's a very trusted, beloved phone and technology brand. It doesn't matter about the fulfillment. And the point about this video, really the reason that this is a secret, is that you need to start realizing that you're able to build a brand. And that's how you're going to make a lot of money in this business. That's how you're going to be able to do this sustainably. You're going to actually build something where the customers can get behind the mission, the brand, the logo, the mascot, whatever it is. There's some reason, there's some hook for people to come in and actually buy your products. And print on demand is so great because it simply gives us a direct avenue to get to the point where we already have a proven business model selling a proven product. Now, as entrepreneurs, we only just need to do, really the hardest part, getting the customers. But there are so many other parts of the business that we just get to completely ignore with print on demand. And again, we're not just selling print on demand t-shirts, we're creating our own brand, right? Maybe you want to sell print on demand dolls. Well, no, you're actually just a store that sells really cool custom dolls or custom journals or beach towels or any of the hundreds of different print on demand products, right? It's not a print on demand store, it's an entire brand, and the products happen to be fulfilled and created through this model called print on demand. The only way that it connects to your brand is on the back end, not the front end, meaning the customers don't see it, they don't feel it. And really, to illustrate this, take a look at these sites, right? Gymshark, you probably heard of, right? Is this print on demand? You see these type of products over here, right? Just different apparel. Or Rip and Dip. Are these products print on demand? Or Canvas Cultures over here with the wall canvas, right? The answer is it doesn't matter, right? It does not matter as the customer, from the customer's standpoint, from the front end, when we're looking at these products, we don't know if they're print on demand. If we didn't know what print on demand was, we wouldn't even be asking this question, right? You're not building a print on demand store, you're building a brand. Right, think about the different products that you can create entire stores off of. And taking a look at some of these, right, just on Printify, right, if you look at their catalog, you could do an entire store on socks, right? Is it a print on demand store? No, now you have an entire brand about socks, right? Or how about something like posters or wall canvas, right? That Canvas Culture site that I showed you, that was a print on demand site, right? You could easily do an entire brand for wall canvases. And there's a bunch of popular stores just that way. Or maybe you can do drinkware, right? Different mugs and tumblers and all those cool hydro flask style drinkware that you could do print on demand. Magnet stickers, home decor, bathroom, right? That's just looking at Printify. Coming over here, you could do entire collections. Again, you can create your entire brand. You want to create a streetwear brand? Well, there's an entire collection of streetwear products. Again, they just happen to be produced print on demand. But if you want to start a streetwear brand, you could either go and mess with finding manufacturers and buying wholesale and storing them in your garage or in a warehouse and getting employees and worrying about which stock is or which sizes are in stock. Or you could just immediately erase any of that need, have print on demand handle all that, and still launch a streetwear company, right? It's just, like I said, it's a shortcut. It's a huge benefit for us as entrepreneurs because we don't need to worry about the kind of annoying, boring, behind the scenes stuff that is also equally challenging, right? If you don't know anything about starting a streetwear company and you have no connections in the fashion industry, it's definitely going to be pretty hard to do it unless you do print on demand. Right now, I could start a streetwear company in 35 minutes. I'll never even touch a product, right? And you see there's beachwear, workwear, sportswear, loungewear, different seasons, right? There's even some big brands that you could use as the base of your product. So if you're worried about not offering, some high quality product, for example, they have Champion in here, right? Champion is super popular right now. You can combine Champion and your brand. You don't need to pick up the phone and call Champion. You just literally create it with print on demand here. And the sky's the limit for products, right? You could have an entire apparel store. It's not print on demand, it's an apparel brand, right? You could have an entire store for eco-friendly products, right? Nothing about print on demand, right? And of course, the customer is never going to know this, right? This is a mindset thing for you. As an entrepreneur, mindset's like 90% of the success rate for an entrepreneur. Again, you get behind the idea that you're not just selling print-on-demand products, right? That's just how your products in your store are produced. You're creating a brand, you're creating a store, you're creating a customer base that is going to want to shop from you over and over and over again. And yes, your products are print-on-demand, but who cares? But again, I showed you those store examples. You couldn't tell if one was print-on-demand and one wasn't, because the bottom line is if you have a good product, a product that presents well, a nice-looking product, if you have a nice, trustworthy brand, right, you're going to make money in e-commerce. And I think that, again, is the big opportunity with print on demand. You can go through all these different sites, right? How about backpacks, right? Become a backpack producer, right? Or I'm sorry, not producer, a backpack retailer, right? And do influencer marketing and get your backpack in the hands of all these different people and say, you wanted to start a backpack brand. Well, maybe you thought that the first step would be to order 100 samples from China. Well, you immediately cut all that part of production and fulfillment and shipping and testing and inventory. You get to eliminate all that. And that's just the power of print on demand. It's definitely by far the lowest risk way to start, a real business, right? T-shirts, apparel, backpacks, socks, dolls, posters, canvas, and any type of product that can be print on demand. You could either create a big brand around it, or you could just create a kind of specific brand, right? How about you start a hat brand? You can do that. Right? A doll brand, a poster brand, a bathing suit brand, a beachwear brand, towel brand, or have everything combined, right? Have a niche store like the traditional way to do print on demand. Either way, you get to do all this without ever worrying about the product. And that is the huge kind of mindset secret. Again, you're not building a store with these random print on demand products. You're not just combining products in a niche store. You're building a brand. That's the number one goal of any business. You're going to build a brand, and your products, your fulfillment, and your shipping are print on demand. Okay, that's kind of the backbone of the business. Like, how about this one on the screen? These are those print on demand dolls I was talking about. Literally an entire brand just built off of this print on demand item. Right, these are just little print on demand dolls. The customer uploads their photo on here and it gets printed just like any other print on demand product. The point is they've created an entire brand around it, right? And with their brand and their business, they get to skip all the back end stuff, right? No inventory, no creating prototypes, no stocking sizes, no warehouse, no employees, no shipping labels, no boxes. That's why we love print on demand so much. It's, again, just that mindset thing, right? Not a random selection of products in a store, not a random selection of products directed towards one niche. It's a brand, and the brand that you're building happens to use print on demand products. So I've got a lot of different trainings on my YouTube. Please give me a subscribe, give me a like on this video. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer as many as I can. I've got a great free resource for you guys, my Facebook Mastermind group. It's called Senior eCommerce Mastermind. The group, or the link to the group, is in the description below. I've also got a world-class mentor program where I have literally hundreds and hundreds of student success stories, people that I've been able to work with directly and help them get successful, profitable Shopify stores. So the link is in the description for that as well. But bottom line, make sure you jump into print on demand. I've been saying it for a while now. It's the best business model online. I just gave you kind of a few reasons why. And again, that mindset secret there, which is so huge. And the reason why we've seen so many big stores come out long-term with success is because they think about that idea of building a brand. So make sure you do that. Jump into print on demand, and I hope it helps you make some money. Talk to you real soon. Thanks for watching.